out La Sen too, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all want the drip, we giving you drip. Watch the show, we giving you jokes, showing you clothes, we in control. Join the family and shit, we all could grow. Y'all got ideas, hit us up and let us know. It's LA on me, LA on me, LA on me.
Who rung my doorbell? Bet my package came in. Let's go. What's good, LA? It's your boy La Sin, and I am back with another video today. I hope y'all enjoyed that little intro I did. It's something that came to my head, so I just decided to do it. Shout out to young Casey. That's my best friend, my brother from another mother. This YouTube channel is more about cars and, you know, it's mainly cars. He has great content. Suggest y'all go subscribe to him. He's fire, you know. He's down in Florida, so you know his content is crazy. Other than that, let's get straight into this video. Okay, guys. So I was strolling, right? I was just looking for new clothes because I was getting kind of tired of the clothes I had now. And I went to Asos and I seen a brand called Collision. I never heard of Collision personally, so I decided to buy some stuff and review it because I liked what I saw. And most stuff that I saw, it was like just the design itself popped out to me and I was like, whoa. And then when I looked at the brand name, it was Collision. And it happened to me like 3 times. And I was like, you know what? If I like wowed myself 3 times off the same brand, why not get it and review it? I also needed some jeans, so I got some jeans as well. So I didn't open it, of course, because I want to get my reaction. Hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Join La Sin if y'all not joined to the army. And let's unpack this bad boy. So coming in at number 1 is this brown, oversized hoodie. As you see, it's a brown, thick material. Most likely, I think it's all cotton. Let me see. Wow, this is the brand right here, Collision. The opposite side, Collision. You feel me? I like that X. I'm pretty sure that X is their logo because it's here in pink. You feel me? And this kind of reminds me of a Travis Scott, you know, like hoodie or something like that. That's what caught my attention. But at first I saw this, I was like, whoa, this is Travis Scott and ASOS. And then I saw the brand. The brand said Collision. So on the right sleeve, it says Collision going all the way down with an X on it. And then on the left chest area, it has a big X. And this came with a sticker as well. Both hoodies came with a sticker. As you can see, I can tear it off and it's an X. If I really want it to be an X, it'll be an X. But I'm not gonna do that. I live up in New York, so you know up here it gets cold because of snow. But yeah, this is number 1. Let's move on. Let's move on to number 2. They think I'm pussy because I sing a little bit. Bitch, I'm dangerous. At number 2, same thing, same sticker. It says Collision. My fault. See, guys, for me it's the right way, but then I mean, when I'm looking at it like this, it doesn't look like it's the right way, but I know it is. But yeah, another sticker the same way that says Collision. Now this hoodie actually popped out. This is the first thing I saw was this hoodie, and it popped straight out at me, and I was like, whoa, you feel me? I had a copy. So here you go, guys. I thought it would have pockets, but it has no pockets. So I'm over here trying to put my hands in, and there's none. I think you'll probably see it in you know, when you see this, you'll probably see it. But yes, it says collision, and what does it say? At the top you say, me and mine roam with the wolves, strike Oko? Strike Okos with witches and speak with the dead. Our souls are entertained. I don't know if this is a song or not. This is like a lyric, but that's where I ain't gonna read all that. But it's something weird. I like it. You feel me? Especially with the October vibe that's going on right now. You know, it has a picture right here. Don't ask me any questions. I can't. You know what I'm saying, man? Shit. Man. This is the hoodie, go. The bottom, I'm pretty sure, has another, whatever that little thing says. It says day, night. On the brown hoodie, the material is more thicker than this one. This one's more rough on the skin. Like the outside is like a little rough. While the brown one is more like a soft, sweaty sweater. This is more like a, let me look good, and you can probably wear this with like a jacket over, like a jean jacket over or something like that, you know, because it has no pockets. It's just that and a hood. Let me get 6 likes on this video and I'll have a fit video coming for y'all very soon. Okay guys, so those were the 2 hoodies. Now these are the 2 jeans, but before we do the 2 jeans, quote of the day. So if y'all can remember this, think about your goals, not your problems. You guys will get farther in life if you guys focus on what you guys need to focus on. A better you. Okay, so at number 3 are these washed out gray, which first of all, I don't know, like, come on y'all. Now I gotta take this off, you know, I feel like I boo-boo when I did it. Anyways, these are dope. When I looked at them, when I saw these jeans first, I was like, there's no way these are gonna fit me. These look like paper. Like, look at these. You feel me? But they're stretchy. They're stretchy. Like, they stretch. The bottom of them, perfect. I put them on my feet. They were like, I put them on. They were like perfect around my ankle. I didn't feel them too tight or too loose. It was perfect. These side pockets, which was the reason why I thought they weren't gonna fit me in my thigh area. Honestly, these jeans are way more comfortable than what they look. I was surprised myself. But the color on them, like that washed off gray, like the way it is, I love it. The back of these jeans, simple, you know what I'm saying? Boom. By the way, these jeans are not collision jeans. These are just jeans because I actually like them and I wanted to get them. But yeah, guys, don't know what else to say much about these jeans, but they dope. Alright, they dope. And like I said, 6 likes and I'll give you guys a fit video. For the last pair of jeans here, these jeans are really, really weird, and I doubt you guys can see them in the B-roll shots that I did, but I'll show you guys a little more close, you know? These jeans fit me nice, remember? Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I am a 30-30, 31-30, depending on the jeans, but I'm usually a 30-30, 31-30. They're both the same size. These are 30-30, the other ones are 30-30, but they're 2 different brands and they fit 2 different ways and feel 2 different ways. Just wanted to get that out the way real quick. But these black jeans right here, they nice. They're like, you can make them baggy, you can have them baggy if you want, or you can grab these strings like I'm showing you here, and you can just make them tight, make them how you want. They have side pockets right here. Well, these are actually a natural baggy fit, but they have 2 pockets on the side of them, you feel me? In the back, the 2 back pockets have buttons as well. These jeans feel like more like dress jeans. They feel like dress jeans, but they're not, of course. But yeah, I like these just because I can do different styles with these. Honestly, if I want to go for more baggier, more dough look, I can do that. If I want to be more up and ready, you know, tighten these up a little bit, boom, show the shoe more. You know what I'm saying? I can do a lot. I have options, and then they're all black, so it doesn't go wrong to go with anything. I needed some new black jeans because God knows that my old jeans look like they're washed out, like completely. But yeah, this is Asos design. That's it for number 4. This is the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share it to your friends, guys. My goal is still 500. We're grinding. We're gonna keep this going. We're gonna keep the army growing. Please like this video. Get this video to 6 likes, and I'll do a fit video. Once again, I'm Lawson, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.
Army, LA, Army, LA, Army, LA, Army, LA.